Hello, everyone, and welcome to the channel We Can Work. On this channel, I focus on remote jobs, work from home platforms, and freelancing resources. I show you what it's really like to make money online. Today, I will show you how your knowledge can be turned into income using Kartra. Whether you're building a course, coaching, or have a digital product, Kartra is a one stop shop that has the resources you need to create your platform, market your product, and scale your business online. Create a landing page on Kartra. Here are some examples of how you can monetize your skills using a landing page and website. You can use it as a place to showcase your freelancing services, uploading sample work and examples of your experience working as a freelancer. If you have other offline skills like doing hair or plumbing work, a landing page can be created, allowing potential clients to see your skills and expertise, as well as make a booking and leave a review. Kartra offers landing page templates, forms, social media integrations, domains, and checkout pages. Kartra also offers payment options like Apple Pay, Google Pay, Klarna, PayPal, and credit cards. You will also have the option for payment plans and to include sales tax. What skills would you use to create a landing page or website? Comment below. For me, I would create a landing page that showcases my digital marketing services. Additional features on Kartra's landing page builder includes an extensive template library, a native form builder, streamlined checkout pages, instant domain publishing, and more. You will have all the resources for a successful landing page with Kartra. Use your skills to create an online course. Whether it's a podcast, resource center, learning modules, or training program, you can easily build your customized online course in one space on Kartra. Some examples of online course ideas for skills you currently possess are creating a course for new virtual assistants. You can create an online course on how to file taxes. If you have life skills like baking or professional skills like project management, you can turn them into an online course and earn residual income. Kartra offers multi site portals, customization options for your online course management tools, and moderation tools for your online courses. You can also use Kartra's drag and drop features, stunning templates, subscription options, and the ability to offer free and paid courses when setting up your online course business. Kartra also offers email marketing and automation to communicate with students, extensive analytics to track results and engagement, multimedia resources for creating audio and video recordings. Now that you've seen Kartra's features for online courses, which one of your skills would you turn to an online course? Please comment below. For me, I would create a course on conversational Kiswahili for English speakers. Do you have the skills to create a membership site? If you have exclusive content that you would like to share with your audience, you can create a membership site and earn recurring revenue. Kartra membership sites can be created with resources like landing page, sales funnel, email automation, webinars, quizzes, customizable checkouts, and more. If you're a personal trainer, you can create a membership site where members can have access to daily workouts. You can create a book club community for a genre or an author with a fandom. To create a successful membership site, you should own an original niche that members will value enough to show up, participate, and access resources. Kartra has the resources to manage the subscription of a membership site. free and paid membership options with special offers and trials for potential members, email marketing and automation to help with your newsletter communications, digital downloads of videos, audios, and PDFs, the ability to host live events for members, automation, moderation, management, and multi site portals, all on Kartra for your membership site. Which of your skills can be used to build a membership site? Think about it and comment below. For me, I would use my communication skills to start a membership site for freelancers where they can access daily links to paying gigs. Have you ever attended a webinar? Kartra offers an all in one webinar solution syncing customer relationship management, sales funnels, and email marketing for webinars. Examples of webinars you can monetize are teaching people how to self publish books. A lawyer, for example, can teach a webinar on how to create a family trust. If you have skills that are in demand, you can use the features on Kartra to create a webinar that can make you residual income. Kartra offers live rooms, recordings that can be captured and shared, interactive features like polls, Q&A sessions, and chat features, custom branding for your webinars, automations for registrations, reminders, follow-ups, and more. With Kartra, you will be able to host a webinar with up to 5,000 attendees. Invite up to 6 presenters. Invite team members, assign hosts and facilitators. You have all the features on Kartra to host a webinar. Which of your skills would you use to launch a webinar? Please comment below. For me, I would use my skills to create a webinar on how to create a contract for freelancing work. Let's look at the pricing on Kartra. There are three pricing options: Essentials at $59 per month, Starter at $119 per month, Growth at $229 per month. This is the pricing as of August 2025. I will leave you a link where you can see the current pricing. You can see all the options included with each plan. But if you need clarity, you can schedule a complimentary one on one call using the link in the description. Kartra has given me an affiliate link to share with my audience. Please use my link to explore Kartra's website and to get more information. If you sign up for a paid membership, I will receive a commission, so thank you for using my affiliate link. I hope I have given you a couple of ideas of how you can use your skills to create a business using Kartra. Have you considered how to turn your skills into a business? Comment on what skills you have below and how you would turn them into an income. Thank you so much for watching this video. Use this as a resource in turning your skills into income. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. I also appreciate it every time you buy me a coffee using the link below. If you're looking for more content like this, I have a video recommendation that you can watch next. So, until next time, bye for now.